So I hear a lot of people telling me that they trade at a specific time frame when it comes to for the foreign exchange market. So to clear that up, guys, there's only one time frame, and that's known as the CMP, current market price. What traders do, retail traders, they analyze on higher time frames, right? For entries on the lower time frame. So what I'm going to show you quickly here is a little illustration. Right. So just to recap, if you're brand new, my name is Simeon, all the way from Trinidad and Tobago. And I've been with the financial markets for the past 4 years and here to bring some value to you. All right. So I do have a crash course available. It's 6 trading sessions. When I say trading sessions, right? So everything is online and you learn from the basics all the way to the advanced levels. I don't really stick too much on telling people to check this video, check that. I go straight to the point, use basic trading terminologies. We go to the charts, we cover the basic stuff. So, we get straight to the point when doing the training because I myself, I know how difficult it is when you're now joining, especially something new and you're being directed to check this link, check that video, and you do have a direct person to relate to. Yeah, I've been through that, guys. So I'm bringing some value to you, and it's only costing 500 TT. So in a nutshell, what I'm going to show you quickly here is TradingView. 95% of traders use this particular website to analyze the foreign exchange pairs. So what you're looking at here is a currency pair. It's a major pair called GBP USD. We buy and sell currency pairs online, and that's practically Forex you're talking about, right? So what they do, they come on the forward time frame, they analyze the particular pair if to buy or sell. Not to worry, everything is going to be explained in the training as well. So it's easy, use a trend line tool. Many traders, they draw it from the major previous low and they look at a trend, right? So they could draw it out basically on an upward side to know or predict which direction the markets are moving. So this is just one analysis. I mean, there's hundreds of ways to analyze the markets. People look at resistance, support, and that's just highs and lows. All these things is going to be explained. And I mean, the base concept of trading, you sell from the high and you buy from the low, right? Really, really is that simple when I think about it. It's just getting in at the right time and to come get in and out with some profits, hopefully, right? So that's basically it. It's only one time frame. That's where the current market prices. On your right hand side, you're gonna see all the prices, but I'd be take profit levels, as a profit level, your stop loss levels, or even the entry, right? So you draw a trend here, notice something here, right? So it's on the forward time frame. If you go to the 2 hour, you're going to see that trend here as well, the trend line. You go to the 1 hour and look at this, you go to the 30 minutes, right? So what people really do as well, they use the previous low as a support area. So every time it comes down to this area, it rejects. But remember, it's at a high. So if you're looking at short positions based on your analysis, because many times in the past, if you go back, you would see it reached a high here and a drop, right? So that's most likely what's going to happen again. But the possibility exists it could go even higher, or even though it don't even have to reach that high, that's where you have a stop loss in place. So I just done this video to educate you all, just to clear up the time frame people thinking that persons trade on as they use higher time frames to do analysis and the entries is always be one location and that's where the current market price is, right? So always remember prices are on your right side when dealing with trading view, right? You're going to see the entry price, that's where the CMP is, current market price. Red if you're buying, you're going to see your stop loss price here, and blue is a take profit price. So guys, if you want to learn some more, you want to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and I am training from basics all the way to advanced. My name is Simeon and I look forward to hearing from you.